What's up guys, Mark Thomas here. Today I want to talk about using a drone. The lawn mowing season is done and the snow's moved in, which means that I have some time to put together a video for you showing you some drone tips and tricks to making your lawn care videos more entertaining and exciting. I'm planning to put a lot of information in this video and I like to keep it under 4 minutes if I can. So let's get started. Before flying, if you're using your phone to see, I recommend that you turn the brightness all the way up. And then I'd say to make sure you have a plan in mind what you want to do. So depending on what type of battery life you have, make sure that you make every minute count. I recommend to make sure that all your batteries are charged all the way. Have a spare battery, and then on your controller make sure that battery is all the way charged, and your phone battery. So that's a lot to keep track of. So when I'm done flying for the day, when I get home, I put the batteries, all the batteries on the charger. Then I recommend that you take your micro SD cards, erase everything that's on them, so when you're flying, you have all the room to do your filming. And then also have a spare one on hand. And then when it comes to safety tips for flying, the first thing I recommend is just taking it slow, learning the basics of this, because this is a very expensive drone, and if you break something, you can't fix it yourself. You often have to ship it back to the manufacturer to have them fix it, and that can get pretty expensive. The next thing is do not fly this over people or cars or somewhere where it could cause damage. In case something were to malfunction, this came flying down. This is between 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds, and if this dropped and hit someone, it could be very dangerous. And the other thing is to make sure that you always keep a line of sight to this. So it can go very high and very far away. This can go probably at least 1.5 miles away. So don't rely on your instruments to see it. Rely on your sight to navigate this. Another thing when you're flying is to keep track of the battery life that's left on this. If you're flying this downwind, this will go pretty easy when the wind's at its back. But when you're trying to bring it back and your battery's getting low, that can be dangerous. So make sure that you have plenty of battery life to bring it back. And last but not least, do not rely on the sensors to keep this away from power lines and from tree branches. The sensors are very sophisticated, but I've seen on several YouTube videos people that have run these into wires and just completely damaged it. It hit like an electric wire and just fell to the ground. So now I want to talk about filming with the drone. So one of the easiest things you can do is just to fly that up in the air away from all the trees and power lines, everything like that, and then just have it record you going back and forth. I see a lot of guys do this. That's the easiest way. You can add music to it and it just shows a new level of cinematography. With this particular drone, there's some smart flying features where you can have it do some automatic things to capture some pretty interesting film and cinematography of what you're doing. So one of the first things is you can have it do a rotational, it's a 360 where it flies around you. There's also a feature where you can have it follow you from behind. The pullback shot is probably one of my favorites. You may see people that are standing like on the edge of a lake or the edge of like a hill or cliff or maybe like a balcony of some sort, and then the drone just is real close to them and it just flies back and up away, so that way you can see all around you. You can have the drone follow you along the side, which is a profile follow mode. You can also have the drone go straight up and record down, which is a rocket mode. And then one of my favorite things to do is to add some slow motion. All right, so those are my tips for flying. Just be safe, be creative, and have fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.